Good morning, students. So in the last class we have a discussion on sentences, and from that discussion we got to know that a sentence is a combination or a group of words which signifies a complete sense. For example, Ram is a boy. After that, we have done a discussion on two important terms to form a sentence, and these two important terms are subject and predicate. So here the subject means the noun or pronoun based part of a sentence, and the predicate signifies the verb based part in a sentence. So today we are going to discuss a few more rules in order to form a new sentence. And in order to know about these rules, let us first have a look into these examples. So number 1 is, I read in class 4. Who are you? Hooray! We have won the match. So, if you notice these sentences carefully, you will get to know that the sentence always begins with capital letters. Here, in these sentences itself, you can follow that all the first letters of each of the sentences are in capital letters. Therefore, capital letters in the beginning are must while writing a new sentence. Next one is, a sentence always ends with a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. So if you go to this examples one again, you can see that in the first instance, I read in class 4, it ends with a full stop. The second instance, who are you? It ends with a question mark. And the third instance, hooray, we have won the match, it ends with an exclamation sign. So, generally in most of the sentences, at the end we use the full stop. And in terms of interrogative sentences, means while asking some kind of question, we use the question mark at the end. And we use the exclamation mark at the end of exclamatory sentences. So it means you should always end your sentence with the inclusion of full stops, question mark and exclamation mark. Now the next point is that a sentence should mean a complete sense. Say for example, in York. If you write down only in York, then it will be wrong because the sentence is not fully complete. But if you write I live in York, it is correct because this is signifying a complete sense. Means that only few group of words that doesn't mean a complete sense will not be your sentence. So whenever you are going to write a new sentence, please make sure that it signifies a complete sense. The next point, that is logical arrangements. It means that your sentences should be arranged in a logical way. It means whatever words you are going to use in a sentence should be arranged logically one after the other. Say for example, here I have mentioned one, that is mango love I. But this sentence is wrong because here the words are not arranged logically. But the next example, that is I love mango, is correct because here I have arranged all the words logically in a proper way one after the other. So, today we have learned the rules of how to make new sentences. And the rules are: your sentence should always begin with capital letters. It should always end with full stops, question marks, or exclamation mark. Next, your sentence should make a complete sense. And the last one is, the words that are used in a sentence should be arranged in a logical way. So, this much for today. And here are your home assignment for today's class. Please send me the assignments in the mail ID that I have given in the description box. And please don't forget to mention your name, class, section and roll number in the mail. Thank you so much.